Okay, so welcome back. So a couple of things you may have thought to yourself that I want to bring up, some curious things that are worth discussing for a moment. One is, some of you might think that, hey, why didn't I use, when I was integrating this from dv to v, why I didn't put a constant here? And it's worth noting why, okay? So if I go to this here, and I redo this part, and I plug it in here, so that would be here, u is equal to x, v is equal to this, so I'll put this as negative cosine x plus k, minus the integral of v, which is negative cosine x plus k, du. Okay, so let's simplify this. So I'm going to get x, so negative x cosine x plus kx. And then this is going to, what's going to happen here is I'm going to take the integral of this, and what do I get? I get plus the integral of this piece here is just going to give me sine x right? And then this is going to give me plus or minus kx, right? Because I'm going to distribute the minus the integral, so this will become a plus, this will become a minus, and this integral becomes negative minus kx. And then of course I have to have my constant, which I call capital C. But notice that this cancels with that. So in the end it doesn't matter. So that's why we end up not putting this integral in here. Okay, you get the same thing. Now, if you wanted to verify that you did this right, well, differentiate this. So if I take the derivative of this thing, do I get back to where I started? Well, let's find out. Well, if I take the derivative of this, I get what? I get the derivative of the first, which is negative 1, times the second, plus minus x times the derivative of the second, right? And so the derivative of the second is minus sine x. And then here, this becomes what? Plus sine x, and the constant goes, or I'm sorry, not cosine x. Or yeah, I'm sorry, this is cosine. So the derivative of that becomes cosine x. Okay, now this is minus cosine x, right? This is minus cosine x. This is plus cosine x. So this negative cancels with that there, so that becomes plus. So I get x sine x here plus cosine x. But this cosine x cancels with this cosine x, and I get what I started with. So it works. Okay. Till next time, have a great day.